Hello students, this is Gurjeet Luthra, your mentor in accountancy. So now from the partnership fundamentals, we are going to discuss the calculation of interest on drawings. To begin with, we've got two types of drawings. One are the irregular drawings. That means the drawings are made at different intervals. The amount is also different. So these are called irregular drawings. And then the regular drawings, that means the drawings of same amount are made at regular intervals. That means at the end or beginning of each month, or they are made quarterly, or they are made half yearly. So that means we've got the amount of drawings is same, the period of drawings is the same, so we call them as regular drawings. Now we're coming across the irregular drawings. That means where the amount may be different, or the period when the drawings are made, it is different. So let's start with the first method to calculate the interest on drawings when the drawings are irregular in nature. So the method used here is the product method to calculate interest on drawings. So how we have to calculate the product method, how we have to use the product method? We can use simple or the product method for the calculation of irregular drawings, interest on irregular drawings. Simple method is quite simple, as we have done in interest on capital. That means we have to see for how many months the drawings are made. We have to calculate interest on drawings individually for the each drawings. So that is quite a complicated method. So better we resort ourselves to the product method. So what we have to do in this product method, let's take the example. The various steps to be followed are: multiply drawings with the number of months or days. Number 2, the product so obtained for each drawings is totaled. Then interest on drawings is calculated on this total product for 1 month or 1 day or whatever the scenario is. And the formula used for calculating interest on drawings under this product method is IOD is equal to total of product into rate over 100 into 1 upon 12 or 1 upon 1365 if the number of days are to be calculated. So let's take an example. The date of the drawings are 1st May 19, 1st August 19, 30th September 19, 31st January 2020, 31st March 2020, and the amount of drawings are 2000, 5000, 2000. You can see the question out here. Okay. Now let's first see the simple method to calculate interest on drawings. So see, I'll just tell you the first one. The drawings of 2000 made on 1st May. So that means we have to calculate interest on drawings from 1st May 19 to 31st March 2020. So that amounts to 11 months. So if we calculate the interest on drawings for 11 months, it comes out to be 275. That means 2000 into 15% for 11 months. And similarly, we have to calculate interest on drawings for each of the following. This is a simple method. That means we don't have to resort to any formula in this case. We'll sum up the interest. Whatever the total interest comes, that will be our interest on drawings. Now let's concentrate on this product method. What is happening here? So first column states date. The date of the drawings is to be put up out here. 1st May, 1st August, 30th September, 31st January, 31st March. The second column is amount column. 2000, 5000, 2000, 6000, 2000. Now number of months. That means we have to calculate the number of months from the date of drawings to the end of the accounting year, that is 31st March. So first the number of months come to be 11 months, then 8 months, then 6 months, then 2 months, and then the 0 months. The fourth column is that of the product. Now product is amount multiplied by number of months. So the product comes out to be 22,000, 40,000, 12,000, 12,000. Now we will add up the total product. The product comes out to be 86,000. Now we will apply the formula. IOD is equal to product, that means this total product 86,000, into rate over 100, that is 15%. And we have to calculate it for 1 month. Interest on drawings for 1 month, that is 1 upon 12. So this amount comes out to be 1075. This is our answer. So this method is less time consuming, hence preferable. I hope you are clear about the calculation of interest on drawings while using product method. Are we clear? Now we move on to the regular drawings. Now for this we use the average period method. But the prerequisites to use this method is the prerequisites. That means the conditions that must be satisfied before using this method is: number one, the amount of drawings is uniform. That means the amount of drawings to be made at each time interval has to be the same. Number two, the time interval between the two drawings is also uniform. That means, suppose we are making the drawings of rupees 3000 at the beginning of every month. So that means it has to be in the beginning of every month that we have to make the drawings of 3000. And the formula used for this interest on drawings is total drawings into rate over 100 into average period upon 12. Now we'll see what is this average period. Now average period is equal to months left after first drawings plus months left after the last drawings divided by 2. Let's take an example. For example, A withdrew rupees 3000 at the beginning of every month. Calculate IOD at the rate of 12% per annum. Now let's see. The total drawings is equal to 3000 into 12, 36,000. Now the average period. See, average period is calculated months after first drawings plus months after last drawings divided by 2. Now months after first drawing. Suppose our financial year is 1st April 19 to 31st March 2020. So first drawings, date of first drawings is 1st April 19. So months after first drawing. So how many months are left after first drawings? 12 months. Months after the last drawings. So the last drawings would have been made on 1st March 2020. So the months after the last drawings is 1. Now the average period, it is 12 plus 1 upon 2, that is 6.5 months. So interest on drawings would be, total drawings were 36,000 into rate is 12% and the average period is 6.5 months. So if we calculate, so it is 1340, 1340, 1340 is our answer. Are we clear? The calculation of interest on drawings using the average method. So now we will come across the various propositions. Now see, cases for calculating average period. So if equal drawings are made at beginning of every month for 12 months, the average period is 12 plus 1 upon 2 divided by 2, 6.5 months. Similarly, if equal monthly drawings are made in the middle of every month, at the end of every month, it comes out to be for 5.5 months. Similarly, if they are made at the middle of every month, the average period comes out to be 6 months. Similarly, beginning of each quarter, there are 4 quarters in a year. So the average period, so let's take an example of the quarters also. For example, A withdrew rupees 20,000 at beginning of each quarter. Calculate IOD at the rate of 12% per annum. So 4 quarters are, first quarter is 1st April to 30th June. Second quarter is 1st July to 30th September. Third quarter is 1st October to 31st December, and fourth quarter is 1st January to 31st March. So average period, first drawings would have been made on 1st April and the last drawings would have been made on 1st January. So months after the first drawings is 12 months. Months after the last drawings, it is 3 months. Average period 12 plus 3 upon 2, 7.5 months. And total drawings, there are 4 quarters, 20,000, 80,000. So IOD will be 80,000 into 12% for 7.5 months. Calculate this. This will be your interest on drawings. I hope it's clear. So middle of each quarter, it is calculated for 6 months. And then if equal drawings are made at the end of each quarter, it's for 4.5 months. Similarly, equal drawings at the beginning of every month for 6 months, that is 3.5 months. Equal drawings at the mid of each month, it will be for 3 months. Equal drawings at the end of each month, it's for 2.5 months. So this is what average method is all about. And remember one thing, if date of drawings is not given and accounting period is less than 6 months, interest on total drawings is calculated for half of the accounting period. We'll see it in the examples. Now, similarly, when rate of interest is given without the word per annum, remember without the word per annum, IOD is calculated without considering the time factor. And always remember that if date is not given and rate is -% per annum, IOD is calculated for 6 months. I hope this lecture is clear and it will be followed by some assignments. And please note it down and try to understand the concept. If you have any problem, you can ask. Thank you.